Hi there, I'm Ben from Memberium. In this video, I'm going to show you the new Oxygen integration that Memberium has. Now, Memberium integrates with other visual page builders. That includes Elementor, Divi, Gutenberg, and Beaver Builder. And now in our latest version, we have introduced an integration with the Oxygen theme and page builder. So I'm just going to dive right in and show you exactly how it works. The main integration here, and the entire integration, is really focused around showing or hiding content based on membership levels and ActiveCampaign tags. That's what Memberium adds to the Oxygen builder. So as you can see here, I've set up a very basic page just with a heading element, and then that's inside of a section. I'm going to just go ahead and click inside of the section, but just so you know, this does work for all the individual elements as well. And once I have selected a section or element, I can come up here to this condition setting. That's this icon right here, and by clicking that, I have a couple of options. One, I can set the conditions, and I can also set the condition type. That's an and or an or condition. I'll come back to that in just a moment. So first, we'll actually set the conditions, and now I'm going to click the Add Your First Condition button. In the drop down here, we're going to see a lot of conditions. That a lot of these are just built into Oxygen, so we can do things based on date and time. We can say if the time is so and so, or if it's Monday, show this content of this block. But Memberium has an integration right here. We've added these two conditions, membership level and require tag IDs. Let me just show you how it works right now. If I click membership level, for example, we have this operator right here, and this just means equals. So it just means if the user has this membership level, show them the content. And if we click into this last drop down here, we'll see that we have, I have 5 options. I have any membership level, which you'll have this as well. And then you're going to have all of your membership levels on your site. I only have 4 here, so silver, gold, platinum, and bronze. So if I just clicked silver, for example, what's happening now is that this entire section is only going to be shown to members who have the silver membership level. I can also make this multiple conditions. So by clicking Add Condition here, I could add, for example, another membership level. I could add another condition. If I did that, this comes back to what I showed you earlier, where we have this condition type and or. So if I have multiple conditions, by default here, it's an and situation. What I mean by that is the user has to meet all of the conditions. They have to satisfy every condition that you've listed here. If we switch this to the or by just clicking it here, the member only has to meet one condition in order to see the content or the element. So let me give you an example here. I'll switch it back to and. I could just simply come up here and type in a require tag IDs, and I could just again come over here and just say gold. So in this case, since it's already set to and, the user has to have the silver membership level and they have to have the gold tag. However, the require tag IDs does have an option that the membership level doesn't, and that is in this drop down right here. I can select does not have. So this is a unique, again, just to this one right here. It doesn't you can't do this with the membership levels currently. So the conditions that I've set up right here are requiring that the user has the silver membership level, and it's requiring that the user doesn't have the gold tag. So if the user fails either of these conditions or these tests, they're not going to be able to see the content which I've protected. Let me actually delete these. I'm going to show you a real world example. So I've created this right here, and it just says upgrade offer to silver membership. I could put a mem place order, some sort of upgrade offer, and I want this to show to members who are bronze, essentially. Only bronze, because silver and everything else, they're already going to be past the silver membership level. So what I can do in this case is simply, again, click the entire section. I can come up here to the conditions. I can set the conditions, and I can just say, I want this to show up for people who have the bronze membership level, since that's my lowest tier, and then silver's next. So I can say, anyone who has the bronze membership level, show them this offer right here. And that way, only people who are part of the bronze membership level and they don't have silver, they're the only ones seeing it. It would look kind of silly if I had silver members seeing the offer to upgrade to silver when they're already silver, right? So this is just one example on how you can use this to make a better membership site and a better experience for your members. If you have questions about this integration and how to use it, look below this video. I have some detailed documentation written up that might answer your question. If it doesn't, I want you to reach out to our support team by going to memberium.com/support. Hopefully, again, you can use this to make a better membership site, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.